Hi everybody, here is a maths extension activity that it will be much easier to do if you have a printer. If you don't have a printer, you will have to draw all of these clock faces by hand, which will take you a long time. But it will be worth it for the extra practice. You need one of these and a piece of paper. Now I'm going to chop this so that it's in 12 equal pieces. So I folded it into thirds and then folded it again 4 times this way. 12 equal pieces, something like this. Shazam! Here are my 12 equal pieces, and I'm still going to need my scissors a little bit later on. Next job, using this, write the time shown in words on each clock on these individual pieces of paper. Do not write A or B or C. So we've done this activity already in maths, so this should be easy peasy. Here's the first one. 4:45, so on my piece of paper, quarter, remembering that extra R, quarter, 1, 2, and then I can write the number 5 in words, 5. Go through each of these, do not write the letters. On each of these 12 pieces of paper, write the times shown so that yours looks like this. Ta-da! I've written all of those times on these pieces of paper. Now the next thing to do is to cut out all of the clock faces. You don't need to waste time cutting around the circle. Just stick with rectangles, make it nice and easy. I'm going to chop down here and down here, then choop, 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 all the way down, easy peasy. Ta-da! Now I have a pile of the time in words and a pile of clock faces, and I no longer need my scissors. So they can go out of the way. I no longer need my pen. That can go out of the way. All I need is these. Now we've just chopped them all out and they're all jumbled up. You don't need to worry about the order of the letters. All you have to do is find and match the times. So if I start with L, I'm looking for 11 o'clock. I'm looking through for 11 o'clock. Look, that hour hand's pointing straight at the number 11. The minute hand hasn't moved. I've found it. Matched 1. Excellent. Next one. Get this next one. I'm looking for 2:30. Let's find 2:30. Shazam! I've done all of my clock faces. It took me a little while because it is pretty windy, so my clocks kept blowing away. Learn a lesson from me. Do yours inside or use some sticky tack to stop it from blowing away. Right. We're not finished there. Next activity, collect all of these and collect all of the clocks. 2 separate piles. We are back to 2 neat piles. Next job, flip all the clocks over. Spread those out. Now, some of you will have realized where I'm going with this. Spread all the clocks out face down so you can't see them. Give them a swizzle as well so you can't tell what the time is because you don't know which way the hands are pointing. And then do exactly the same on the other side with the times. Watch now, there'll be a big gust of wind and all of Mr. Scullion's pieces of paper will go flying. Definitely do it indoors. Okay, if you used a big fat pen and you can see through it, that takes away some of the fun, but it will make it easier for you to complete. Your job, either on your own or against somebody in your house, is to pick a clock. Find what time it is shown on the clock, 2:30, and then find it on this side. Oh, it's 1:30! Oh, it's so close. So close. So remember where this clock is. I remember where this time is. Turn them back over. I can either go again, or if I was playing with somebody else, they could have their turn. Let's choose this one. What time is shown on the clock? 7:45. I think it's this one. 2:30. Ooh. Ooh. Now, if you're playing with somebody else, they might be able to sneak in and steal that. 2:30. 2:30. Because I'm right, I keep the clock and the time, and if you're playing against somebody, that goes into your pile. Your turn. Have a go at these activities. Should help you get even faster at telling the time. And also, if you win, you can say, "Ha ha! I am the champion of time. I am the Time Lord," or something like that.